All right, we're just going to try to get back on I-95 here in Jacksonville. I know a better way. We can just go out this way. Should make it really easy. We'll see if it picks up this road that this road goes through here. Oh, there we go. All right, FSD now. All right, I want to stop it here and look at where this stop sign is. It's by this small road before the big road out here that I need to turn onto. FSD makes a big mistake here and stops at this stop sign and then thinks it's now able to go and make this right turn, although it's not out to the road yet. It stopped there. Okay, it's kind of, whoa. So that was not good at all. It was going to go. It stopped back there and then thought it could go. A little disappointing. Seems like it was a new road for it. I'm going to go ahead and go here. I don't know if it's going to be able to switch over enough lanes. Oh, we're going to exit on the right here. Okay, so we're going to the north. We need to get out of this lane. Be good to do it right now. They signaled very nice. Sweet. Like that. Okay, traffic slowing down here. All right. Here's our north entrance. Okay, got a car on our right. Okay, it's yielding for us. It's yielding for us. Oh, it was slowing for us, but we didn't take advantage of it. But we got in here. We made it happen. That was acceptable. All right. Swinging down a little bit far here. Hopefully we're going to get some acceleration. We have max speed at 65 already. That's good. Got VW behind us. Would like to see us go. If it doesn't go, I'm going to have to help it. All right, I'm going to help it out. Get down this lane. Got some debris. Debris in the road. Okay, we got a truck. We should let this truck merge. Alright, let's go get out of this lane. I think we're good to go.